Are you ready to witness the awe-inspiring scale of the upcoming construction project? When the most massive and powerful machines reveal themselves, the roar of the engines will shake your screen. Before we begin, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you won't miss any of our videos. The Tigercat 1075B is a forestry industry leader that can carry up to 25 tons in one load, thanks to its spacious design and four-wheel drive system. With its advanced technology, this machine can navigate the toughest terrains with ease. Are you interested in forest regeneration? If so, check out the self-propelled sawmill shredder, the BRAC T28, designed for stacking logs in sequence. This sturdy machine can create points for planting up to 2,509 trees per hour, efficiently preparing shapes for new tree growth. Additionally, the BRAC system comes equipped with a hydraulic control unit that applies evenly across various terrains, allowing optimal preparation even in challenging forest environments. Have you ever wondered how small trees find new homes? The tree transplanter gently uproots and relocates small trees with minimal stress, allowing them to be replanted. In fact, this thrilling tool can handle trees up to 15 meters tall and 30 centimeters in diameter. Bertha, the world's largest tunnel boring machine, began its work in Seattle in 2013. Tasked with drilling a 2.8-kilometer underground tunnel, originally scheduled for completion in December 2015. Unforeseen malfunctions caused a 2-year delay, and drilling was finally finished in April 2017. Weighing 6,100 tons, with a diameter of 17.5 meters and a length of 99 meters. Bertha operates with a rotor equipped with 260 cutters that break through, move, and scoop up soil and stones. The soil is then transported by screw and belt conveyors. Powered by 25,000 horsepower, Bertha can dig 10 meters per day, and as it excavates, it simultaneously places 60-centimeter thick concrete blocks to line the tunnel walls. This impressive machine made the project significantly more efficient and cost-effective compared to using alternative equipment. The Liebherr LB16-180 is a compact and versatile rotary drilling rig, capable of performing various tasks like Kelly bar, continuous flight auger, and twin rotor drilling. It offers easy and cost-effective transport, as it can be moved on a standard low-frame trailer when the mast and drilling driver are folded. With a weight of 53 tons, it has a maximum drilling depth of 34.5 meters and features a sturdy, torsionally stable mast designed for heavy construction work. Additionally, the rig can be equipped with a shorter mast for sites with height restrictions, ensuring flexibility and minimal startup time. The Liebherr LB44 is a highly efficient and versatile rotary drilling rig, designed for complex foundation projects in a variety of challenging ground conditions. Built with durability and performance in mind, it can achieve drilling depths of up to 80 meters. Making it ideal for deep foundations, soil stabilization, and other large-scale construction applications. This giant drilling machine offers versatile drilling methods like rotary drilling and continuous flight auger, making it adaptable to various projects. Its compact design allows easy maneuverability in tight spaces, making it ideal for both urban and remote sites. The Belarus MT3 is a truly versatile machine, blending teamwork and skill with remarkable power. With 89 horsepower, it may not seem enough at first glance, but its reliable engine can tackle even the toughest terrains. Its low repair costs make it a popular choice among farmers. The Pesolato All-Road 1400 and 1000 is the sports car of mobile chicken machines. Equipped with a 700 horsepower engine, it can swallow trees up to 70 centimeters in diameter, transforming them into uniform wood chips at a rate of 304 square meters per hour. Designed for all-terrain mobility, the Bezeloton can operate in any work environment, including on the ocean, providing a stable living environment even in harsh marine conditions. The EP1020 auger system is a rugged machine capable of drilling holes up to 30 meters deep and 3 meters in diameter. The best feature of this small beast is its ability to navigate different soil types, from soft clay to hard rock, thanks to its advanced technology and powerful torque output. The tractor driver isn't using turbo boost, but this fiery tool transforms weeds into nutrient-rich biostraw, reducing field waste while significantly improving soil health. This burner can process up to 2 tons of biomass per hour. The Farmy Forest 260 HFC is a small yet powerful wood chipper capable of transforming whole trees into biomass. This impressive machine can handle trees up to 26 centimeters in diameter, producing up to 145 meters of 5-centimeter wood per hour. Enjoy the engineering marvel of self-propelled modular transporter by Fiocchi. This versatile trailer can move in any direction with millimeter accuracy, allowing it to navigate narrow spaces. When connected, it forms a massive transporter capable of carrying up to 15,000 tons of cargo. The Sandvik GH440 is a compressor machine weighing 46,300 kilograms. It can process up to 388 tons of rock per hour, maintaining continuous efficiency while reducing the size of fires accurately. The QH440, which also offers mobility, ensures productivity even in the most challenging environments, guaranteeing smooth transportation and precise weight distribution across hundreds of wheels. This advanced technological solution is designed to transport bodies smoothly to the final approval stage, ensuring accuracy and efficiency while minimizing production time and human error. This rocket, moved by a specially modified robot transport vehicle, has been converted into a lighter, non-powered beast for this task. However, the highlight of this operation is that a single Toyota Tundra pickup truck managed to push everything through. The Mamote PTC 200DS, developed by the Dutch company Mamote, is a massive ring crane designed to move and install oversized, heavy objects in confined spaces. With a high payload capacity of 5,000 tons, a large boom extension, and a flexible configuration, the crane is ideal for complex tasks. Its ring-based diameter can be adjusted between 30 and 41 meters to suit specific project needs, and it takes around 6 weeks to prepare for operation. Weighing 6,125 tons, the crane has been in production since 2011 and continues to be refined, with a 2018 update allowing it to lift monolithic loads of up to 2,000 tons, a feat previously only possible with split loads. The Liebherr T284, introduced at Minexpo 2016, was designed as the successor to the successful T282 dump truck, known for being the lightest yet most powerful in its class. The T284 has an unladen weight of 600 tons and a payload capacity of up to 363 tons. Powered by a 4,000 horsepower diesel engine, it combines strength, efficiency, and low fuel consumption while meeting environmental standards. The truck is also designed to streamline mining operations, allowing for fewer trucks on site and saving time in construction projects. The ETF MT240, developed by Slovenian company ETF Mining Equipment, is set to surpass the Bella's 75,710, which held the title of the world's largest dump truck. Featuring a modular design, the Mount 40's individual modules can form a train with a payload of up to 870 tons, nearly double the Bella's 450 tons. It also boasts 25% better fuel efficiency, a 12% increase in productivity, and a four-wheel drive system with individually controlled wheels. The design allows for easy and cost-effective maintenance, with components like the engine and gearbox quickly replaceable. Additionally, the German-made Liebherr P995 pontoon excavator is designed for amphibious operations at sea. The Liebherr P995 is a pontoon excavator designed for marine operations, offering specialized capabilities for working at sea. These amphibious machines, like the P995, are built by the German company Liebherr and are tailored to handle tasks in aquatic environments where traditional land-based excavators cannot operate. Featuring floating pontoons, the P995 excels in tasks such as dredging, underwater construction, and handling materials in shallow waters or ports. Its design allows it to navigate and perform efficiently in challenging maritime conditions, making it an essential tool for industries involved in offshore construction, marine infrastructure, and environmental management.